Good morning from Cape Coral, Florida. I'm here at the Cape Coral Yacht Club just to show you what's going on. The place did get a lot of devastation from Hurricane Ian in 2022, but they are really building it back. And I just want to show you around. This is Barbara Claire Jones and Company, Cape Coral, Florida. Have you ever heard wild parrots before? This is the beach at Cape Coral. It's a river beach, so the water isn't like truly salt water or any kind of paradise clear blue. You can hang out here and catch some rays. Really nice for families, people. There are picnic areas. I mean, it's a really cool place to hang out for a couple of hours. September 28th, 2022, Cape Coral suffered the worst storm ever. We never had flooding like this. We never had a storm like this. Devastation. All right, this is a really nice pier, and you can just go out on sunset, take a walk, or whenever. As you can see, it's totally devastated. It's going to be brought back. They're working on it. They got the marine permits, and now they just have to wait for Army Corps of Engineers to issue their permit, and then reconstruction hopefully will begin, and hopefully we're going to have a park by next year. October 17th, a really terrible fire broke out at the Boat House, and that's the gorgeous restaurant that was right on the pier, right on the beach. Everybody used to love to go to. I mean, everybody in the city really misses that place. Hopefully, it's going to rebuild and reopen by February 2026. I mean, that's like a whole year from now. I don't know if we can wait, but anyway, hopefully, it's coming soon. This was the community boat launch. It was a really great place for people that don't have their own boat launches or boat docks in their house. They could just pull in here and set their boat right into the river, and it was a really cool place. Excellent to have. They're going to be building even more of them. This was the marina. It's closed now, but I think they're going to take this all out or most of it out, and they're going to really expand the marina, which would be an excellent idea. It's a growing city, and they need more space for this. This is a place you could just keep your boat. Beautiful day down here at Cape Coral Yacht Club. It's going to be really fantastic. It's all devastated right now, but I believe things are coming along, and I hope in a year it's all going to be a different look. 18 months, 2 years maximum. But the parrots are still here. They're still pretty cool.